The brain and spinal cord are your body's central nervous system. The brain is the command center for your body, and the spinal cord is the pathway for messages sent by the brain to the body and from the body to the brain. The peripheral nervous system is the network of nerve strands that branch off from the left and right sides of the spinal cord through openings between each vertebra on the spinal canal. These nerve pairs spread throughout your body to deliver commands from your brain and spinal cord to and from parts of your body. The central nervous system and peripheral nervous system work together to allow your brain to control your body's many functions, which includes three important areas: motor functions, directs your body's voluntary muscle movements; sensory functions, monitors sensation of touch, pressure, temperature and pain; autonomic functions, regulates digestion, urination, body temperature, heart rate, and dilation/contraction of blood vessels. A spinal cord injury is the occurrence of an acute traumatic damage to the spinal cord or nerves roots within the spinal column, including the cauda equina, that results in temporary or permanent loss of movement, sensation, and bodily systems. Higher levels of injuries typically result in a greater loss of function when compared to injuries at lower levels of the spinal cord. For example, people with tetraplegia have greater loss of function than people with paraplegia.